Poor baby. Who's a sleepy girl? Who's a sleepy girl? One last bite? Riley, want the last bite? Riley, you want last bite? Huh? Shh, go to sleep. What?
Tanner and Trevor went down all the way the street.
Okay, they're okay. Tell them to come back.
Hey, but I have to go get them.
Okay, tell them to come back.
I'm gonna go down there.
Okay. We go night night. We go night night.